All right, so we're gonna remove the arm pad first. Just 2 screws there with a Phillips. You can use a screwdriver, but I'm just using a impact on the lowest setting. And the arm pad will just come off like that. So what it looks like is this bolt here is removed from the bottom bolt here. So I will recreate that for you. So the bottom bolt under here is a T30. We can send that for you. Just like that. And I'm going to use a pair of channel locks or large pliers just to go ahead and grab that nut. All right, here we go. All right, so it looks like this is what's going on with your chair. So those are the pieces you have, and it looks like you also had a large silver washer in there. All right, so here's the mechanism right here, how it works. Slides on. So on the top part of the metal arm pad frame, you should have a plastic spacer that goes in like so. Kinda. There we go. And if that's for the front one, if it's the back one, it's a little bit different. You'll see one side is filled in, one side is the hole. I believe you're working with the front here. Alrighty, so this piece right here goes in underneath. And it just kind of falls in there. Alrighty. So what we did first is you had this silver washer was right here in the middle. And it went like that, and these were sandwiched in between. So what we believe happened was the threads weren't catching fully onto that nut. So you can either tighten that back up, torque it down with your T30 and your channel locks. Okay, and that should give you some stability there. A little bit too tight. But we also have another way to fix you. Okay, sometimes this silver washer is just too much, too thick, and is not allowing the threads to fully grasp the nut, if that makes sense. So what we've switched to are these smaller wave washers. Okay, so we're still going to use one in the middle here. We're gonna get rid of this washer, and one goes on top of that nut or that bolt as well. Okay, so the same process. This goes from underneath. Hand tighten. Grab our channel locks. T30. And much smoother there. So I hope this helps. So reinstall the arm pad, line up the holes here, just like so. Again, just 2 Phillips screws. You can absolutely use a screwdriver. I'm just using a torque impact on the lowest setting. just to snug. We don't want to over tighten. There we go.